Understanding, it's a possibility, a guide to English expressions. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very common English phrase, it's a possibility. This expression is widely used in everyday conversations, and understanding its nuances can really help you sound more like a native speaker. Let's explore what it means, how to use it, and some examples to help you master it. The phrase, "it's a possibility," is used to indicate that something could happen or might be true, but it's not certain. It's a way of acknowledging that an option is open without fully committing to it. This expression is useful because it allows speakers to express openness to ideas or outcomes without making definite plans or promises. 1. Expressing uncertainty. When you're unsure about something and want to convey that an outcome is possible but not guaranteed. 2. Showing openness. When you want to show that you're open to suggestions or ideas but aren't ready to make a final decision. 3. Softening rejection. Sometimes, it's used to gently refuse an offer while leaving room for future consideration. Making plans. Are we still going to the beach tomorrow? It's a possibility, depending on the weather. Discussing ideas. Do you think they'll extend the deadline? It's a possibility, but we should plan as if they won't. Offering suggestions. Could we try a different approach to this project? Sure, it's a possibility. Let's discuss the details. Pair with reasons. When you use this phrase, it can be helpful to pair it with a reason to provide more context. For example, it's a possibility, if I can rearrange my schedule. Use body language. In face-to-face conversations, your body language can add meaning. Nodding while saying, "It's a possibility," can show more openness than crossing your arms. Be aware of tone. The tone of voice can change the meaning. A positive tone can indicate more openness, while a hesitant tone may suggest less likelihood. And that wraps up our guide on the phrase, "It's a possibility." We hope this video has shed some light on how to use this expression effectively in your conversations. Remember, practicing these phrases in different contexts will help you become more fluent and confident in your English speaking skills. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.